that's it. Going home empty-handed. Nothing was worth having, and the van that we were after in the first place is still broke down, so it might be fixed in the next 1 to 2 days, he said, so we're just gonna have to wait and see. But nothing ever seems to go right with us. It's always done the hard way, isn't it? So we wait another day. What's on, guys? Welcome back to our channel today. So we're back on the road, back off looking at another van. We're on the M5 at the minute. This is the current situation. Lots of traffic. It's not going well. This whole looking for a van thing has not gone well from start to finish. So a quick recap on last week. We went up to Birmingham, went to look at the first van, and long story short, the steering lock stuck on, so we didn't buy that one. Then we looked at another 2 vans while we were up there, and let's just say they were no good either, just to put it politely. Yeah. So yeah, today we're off to Coventry today to look at a van up there, so hopefully it's going to go a little bit better. So once we're up there, we will catch up with you. Update. Got a coffee. It's taken, well, I left Redruth this morning at 10:15. It's now 3:45 and we're still an hour away, so to say the traffic has been terrible is a bit of an understatement, but we're nearly there, so I'll catch you in a bit. We've been in, the deal has been done. I'm sitting in the new van. I'm proper excited because like all the visions that we've had of what we're going to do with the van has just sort of come to life. So we're going to drive back now. I'm not going to show you what the van is till Chloe's seen it, so we'll see you later. It's the morning after. I mean, I got home at midnight last night, so it was a little bit late to show Chloe the van, but she's here with me now. She's had a bit of a look around it, so I'll get her opinion on it before I show you guys. Chloe, what do you think?
It's definitely needs a bit of work, but it's good.
Yeah.
It's got lots of potential.
Yeah, once you look at it, you can see the potential, like with the size and everything. So when we started, we were, first of all, the idea of getting a van came from our friend Tom, and he had a caddy, Cornish Caddy Life, if you want to follow that.
On Instagram.
On Instagram, yeah. And we thought, oh, we'll get a Caddy Maxi. And then realistically, we were like, with 3 people, that's just not going to work. And then my friend Rob from work, he had a T4 that he was going to get rid of, and he said, would we want it? And I thought, well, yeah, that seems like a pretty good project. And then the more research we did, we started watching people on YouTube, Kinging It, Craig and Amy. They've got a real good backstory as well if you want to watch them. But they started traveling around Europe and stuff in their little bus that they made. And that got us thinking, yeah, we really want to do something like traveling around Europe as well. So we thought we need a bigger van. So this is what we've come up with. Are you ready for the big reveal?
I'm ready.
Well, let's go. So we've gone for a medium wheelbase Sprinter.
Oh, that's as far as I can get my leg.
God, if you can't tell, we are like really excited about this. We've been thinking about this for a long time. It's quite clear that it needs a little bit of work. But I mean,
it's a good thing we've got a mechanic in the house.
Yeah, my background is mechanic, so the rust and stuff like that I'm not too bothered about. It's just going to be the converting the inside, so.
But that's all me.
Yeah, Chloe's the brains behind the project. But I mean, I will show you some of the worst parts of the van, I suppose. So we got a little bit of rust in the arch. The back door, that That's, yeah, that's not great. There's a bit of a hole there. If I take you inside, welcome to our crib. There's a small bit hole there, and there's a small, well, I say a small hole, it's quite a hole, but you know, nothing the welder won't fix. What do you think, Claire?
This one doesn't stay open.
Yeah, it does. Oh no, it doesn't.
No, it does sometimes.
Right.
It does.
Yeah, you got to push it into the lock.
Yeah, I did it.
You done it.
I haven't even seen the inside yet.
Well, you have.
This is our
Feast your eyes.
Ready? Do you reckon? Is it dirty?
A little bit.
It's big, isn't it?
How many room for activities?
How many?
Yeah.
So many.
So-
So many room for activities! I reckon we can sleep this way.
Yeah. Go on.
These will come off as well, won't they?
Yeah.
Won't go much thinner.
Test it out then.
Okay.
Oh, you got so much room behind your head.
Yeah, but I'm also very short.
Yeah, I reckon I can get in there though.
Are you going to attempt?
Well, let's have a go then.
Okay, hang on, because it's going to take me a minute to get up.
Oh,
Oh,
Chloe's out from the gym yesterday.
yeah.
Right, go on then, you take over camera activities. Oh God!
Don't fall into it, my Christ. Here he goes. Big test. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's unflat as well. A couple inches beyond my head.
Yeah, we got plenty of room.
Ugh.
Just have to make sure that, and that's poking out a bit as well. So if we have that
Yeah. So
done,
obviously all that's-
done proper job, we'll be.
Yeah, insulated. Get first thing first, get all that out. See what needs
Yeah.
to be like welded and stuff like that. Get all that done.
Sort
Tidy up
all
the
the rusty
outside.
boys
Yeah.
out.
Because there's no point.
Get that big ass bulkhead off. Sorry.
There's no point starting to do anything inside the van until we've got everything outside sorted, really. Because you don't want to then do everything inside and be like, oh, now I've got no van to drive around in because it's rusted out. So we got a little bit of work to be doing. I think the first things first is get it up on the ramps at work and give it a good wash underneath
Yes.
and see where we go from there. But I am very excited.
I'm excited, but I'm also glad I don't have to do any of the hard bits. You have to do all the difficult parts of rusting and stuff, and then I just get to make it look pretty on the
You
inside.
can like paint it and stuff.
Yeah, I can.
Oh God.
No, I can. I can.
Right. Let's close her up.
Closing her up.
We haven't thought of a name yet, but we're gonna have a little bit of a brainstorm and try and work one out because she needs one, doesn't she?
Yeah. No, I thought if I look at it, it might give me some ideas.
No inspiration.
It did not. It's not come to me.
But though, yeah, we are really excited, guys. And if you're thinking, well, that looks like a bit of a pig's ear, how are they going to turn that into a purse? Well, if you subscribe to our channel, I'm sure you'll find out. Obviously, the series isn't going to be like, it's not going to be done in 2 seconds. We don't have the money to just whoosh over it all the time, so it's going to be a long one. So if you want to stick in for the long one, subscribe to our channel, and yeah, we'll show you a few tips and tricks for if you want to convert your own camper. So thank you very much for watching the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, and like I said before, subscribe to our channel, and we will catch you next time.
Bye.